Let's connect Klaviyo and Shopify so your orders, products, and customer behavior start syncing in real time. This gives you a single unified view of your customers and allows you to start powering more personalized marketing right away. In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Klaviyo and Shopify, how to sync email and text message marketing subscribers, how to sync customer profile data, and how to enable on-site tracking via Shopify App Embed. Before we get started, if you're finding this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. All right, let's jump in. To get started, select Integrations from the lower left corner of your Klaviyo account. This will bring you to the Integrations page where you can manage apps that sync data to and from Klaviyo. In the upper right corner, click Explore Apps. Use the search bar to locate Shopify and select it. Now click Install. On the next page, paste the URL of your Shopify store to begin the connection. You can find this URL in the top left corner of your Shopify settings page. Next, you're going to sync data from Shopify. Enable the option to sync Shopify email subscribers to Klaviyo, which ensures that shoppers who opt into marketing at checkout or through sign-up forms are automatically added to your Klaviyo list. Select the Klaviyo list you would like to route new subscribers to. You can choose an existing list or create a new one. We recommend selecting your primary newsletter list so all new subscribers flow directly into your main marketing audience. If you use Klaviyo for text message marketing, including SMS and RCS, enable the option to sync text subscribers and choose the list you want to add them to. You can also enable the option to sync profiles and profile data from Klaviyo to Shopify. This keeps customer information aligned across both platforms, eliminates data silos, and reduces the need for manual updates or complicated data syncing. You can choose to sync updates for all Klaviyo profiles or only profiles that already exist in Shopify. Then, select the types of data you would like to sync, such as names, email addresses, phone numbers, consent statuses, and profile properties. Once your settings are configured, click Connect to Shopify. You will be asked to confirm your new integration. Verify that the information is correct, then click Integrate. When everything is successful, you will see a confirmation message that your Shopify settings have been updated, allowing data to sync between Shopify and Klaviyo. Next, let's enable on-site tracking. On-site tracking allows Klaviyo to collect browsing activity from your Shopify store. This gives you deeper insight into how shoppers interact with your site and allows you to trigger messages based on real-time behavior. To enable it, locate the on-site tracking section and click the link to view your Shopify app embed settings. This will take you directly to your Shopify theme settings. Make sure the Klaviyo app embed is toggled on, then click Save. After saving, click Manage App to return to your Shopify integration settings in Klaviyo. You should now see a confirmation message that your app embed is enabled and on-site tracking is active. If you use Shopify Markets to sell internationally, you can check the box to enable content syncing for locale-aware data. This allows Klaviyo to pull in localized product information so your messages reflect the correct language and currency. You can reference those languages using smart translations in email templates and catalog lookup tags in text messages. Keep in mind that this sync may take some time, since Klaviyo is pulling product data for every language and market in your store. With on-site tracking turned on, you can capture intent, power sign-up forms, and deliver more timely and relevant messages across your channels. Well done! You've integrated Klaviyo with Shopify and enabled on-site tracking. Your data will now sync in real time, giving you a unified customer view, coordinated interactions across channels, and clearer performance insights you can trust. With a more streamlined tech stack, your team can move faster and focus on growing your brand. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out the description for more content like this to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.